saan natin gustong gawin. Hindi po hard work at opportunity yung gap.
Yes.
Kasi pag sinabing, ba't di ka pa successful? Kasi kulang ka sa hard work. Hindi. Kasi, kaya maraming na-stress and anxiety and overwhelmed kasi hard work lang ang puhunan. Napagod, na burnout, ayaw na. Now, ikaw nakakita sa kanila, parang wala ang price to pay ng success, wag na lang. Which means, you have to understand two things. If you're not creating what you want, number one, maybe there's a limiting belief that you need to start working on. How do you know there's a limiting belief? Based on language. Bantayan mo yung sarili mo, ay, ang hirap niyan. Ay, hindi ko no. Kaya nga, nandito tayo araw-araw kasi ipapractice natin na 4 a.m.
Yes.
Easy. Kayang-kaya. Na yung imposible, naging posible, naging normal na lang. Now, kung nakarating ka man sa gusto mo, kasi yung limiting beliefs mo, na i-tweet mo na. Through what? Letter A. Sulat nyo to, verbal conditioning. Stop saying I can't. Stop saying I won't. Stop saying it's difficult. Reverse it. All right, sure. Hindi ko alam, but excited ako. It's just coming from what's possible. But that's only 7%. The 38% is collect evidence na madali. How do you collect evidence na madali? Find something that you can practice every day that is so difficult to do, that it's so impossible for you to do, but you did it anyway. No matter what. So can you imagine? Alright. Ang dating napakahirap, my God. Basic na lang. My God, ang dali na lang. Ano ba yan? Kaya sabi mo nga, hindi ako makapaniwala. Kasi nga, nagbago na yung paniwala mo. Kaya maniwala ka na. Tama na yan. That's 38%. Collect enough evidence. Experience yourself. Number 3, 55%. Kaya nga tayo na ito may community because 55% is your theory of space. Which means, number 1, kung saan ka nakatira. At kung sino lagi mo kasama, number 2. At number 3, saan ka laging nagpapakita. At number 4, kung ano yung lagi mong pinapanood sa feeds mo. Bantayan nyo yan. Kung saan ka nakatira, hindi siya supportive dun sa buhay na gusto mo, lumayo ka na muna. Kasi environment is more powerful than anything in this world. I'll repeat that. Environment is more powerful than anything in this world. Hawa-hawa po ang tawag natin dyan. Pangalawa, sino lagi mong kausap? Humanap ka ng bagong grupo. Change your friends, change your life. Kaya ka nga siguro nandito araw-araw kasi ang ganda na pinag-uusapan dito. Tama ba? Yeah. So, ito na yung magiging grupo mo. Ayan, si Awo, best friend mo na yan. Sila Charm, sila Ella. Yan na magiging best friend mo. Lagi mong kausap.
I love Sir.
Diba? And tignan mo rin kung saan ka lagi nagpapakita. Sa workplace, sa business. Kasi, kung yung workplace mo, yung business mo, puro limitation, puro shrink, ay, yung buhay mo magiging shrink din. But above all, para sa akin, yung strongest reinforcement really is what you feed in your, what you consume. Whether you like it or not, this is already part of life. So if I were you, start checking, ano bang pinapanood ko? Ano bang kinokonsume ko? And that's how you prepare your vessel. That's how you prepare yourself to create a new belief about you, new belief about life, new belief about success, na hindi mo na kailangang paghirapan kasi karapatan mo yan. Birthright mo. Kung nahirapan ka man dahil siguro in the past, ang dami mong irresponsible choice. Again, lahat ng sakit, it's a lifestyle choice. Right? Lahat yan. Lahat yan. Tapos sasabihin mo, naman ako, hindi. Hindi totoo yan, gawa-gawa yan. Kailangan may bago kang paniwala tungkol sa iyo, may bago kang paniwala tungkol sa buhay, may bago kang paniwala tungkol sa success. Na guys, kung alam nyo lang, kung katabi nyo yung PA ko, si Don Don, na dati kong driver, magiging EA na. Wow, no? Siya mismo makasabi, bakit ganun si Ras? Hindi naman nagtatrabaho, wala namang hard work. Wala talaga. Lahat easy-easy lang. Kaso lang, baka may paniwala ka pa rin mahirap ang buhay. Mahirap lang ako. Wala akong karapatan maging successful. Change your belief. Whatever action is, it will be a result. Thank you so much for sharing. Right? Continue with this space. Expand, grow. Because that's what life is all about. So what happened to you? Imagine a bonsai tree na napakaganda tignan. Tama ba? Pero my gosh, hindi na mumunga. Hindi rin nakakabigay ng shade. So ang ginawa natin guys, from a bonsai tree na nakapaso, binasag natin paso, ang hirap pasagin. Tapos tinanim natin sa 50 hectares of 100 hectares of rich, beautiful soil. And then we nurture it every day with the sunshine, with the water, up until yung kanyang roots and hopefully tutubo, magbibigay ng shade at mamunga. Yan po nangyayari sa atin. Thank you. Au, go ahead.